very slippery. Oi! All over the shop. The camera just copped it. Probably. Oh. Woo. Oh. Fuck! I tried to dodge that tree.
Mission failed.
Oh no, Kiwi's probably slipped off. Surely not. Oh, you
Slippery.
Oh yeah.
Could let out a bit of air if you need to.
Yeah. Oh, it's so slippery! Yeah, this slips! Oh, yeah! Oh. Oh, it's so slippery!
Yeah, bro, this is slippery as. Yeah?
Yeah! Oh. Yeah. Whew.
I can't really assist, unfortunately.
Oh, my leg is just like pinned. Oh, jeez, brother.
Oh, good. Just see you just go.
I was just gonna walk it and rev it up. Slip.
She is bloody slippery.
Can't even see me handlebars, bro.
Go. This shit is so slippery.
That was a mischief. Yeah, I stored at the worst spot. Actually, no, Wiggy probably stored at a worse spot.
No, it was pretty arse. Like when I came around that corner, I seen both of you and I was like, nah.
I wasn't sure if I was gonna like clip Wiggy or what Wiggy was gonna do. Oh! It's so slippery, like.
Oh, yeah. Pretty good though, bit of a challenge.
It's good, makes you a better rider, that's for sure.
It's different.
Yeah, it's good.
It could be a lot harder with like rocks and logs and
Yeah, if there was like slippery rocks.
oh, I probably wouldn't have done it.
Oh,
That log came up out of nowhere.
yeah, it does. Oh. He's not going anywhere. Yeah. Oh no. I think he's just gonna go in there. Yeah. That's what I did. Angry sloth. Oh my god. fucking slip and slide, mate. Oh no! I missed that. Yeah, it looks pretty f***ed.
You reckon we're gonna make it up that?
I don't know, if it's that slippery, probably gonna struggle. Yeah. What do you want to do? I'm not fast.
You want to roll back down and try again? Come back. Re-attempt. I'll just stay there. Block the road.
I don't know, I'm sort of thinking, do we bother? Because this could chew up a lot of time. Yeah, and that wasn't even this big. And like, if I'm hitting this, I wouldn't even want to start it from here. I want to try to get a bit of a run up.